Hello, in this video I'll be teaching you how to draw your patterns for your headband wig. This is very important so that your headband wigs looks really good and exactly the way you want it. So the first thing you need to know is that I'm using this particular cap, which is like a mesh wig cap, a dome cap, and I'm using candles. This cap is very important if you want your headband wig to come out perfectly. Okay, so this is the exact cap to use. You can screenshot it and get it. So I'm using candle because it's going to be visible and it's very clear on this particular wig cap. So from the back, I'm going to start by drawing something like like a curved shape from the back. And you can see that every time I draw, I leave about 2 inches and I move my hand forward because you don't want the back to be too full. Okay, you don't want it too close to each other. You want to give it some space, okay, so that you don't exhaust your hair at the back. So I always leave about 2 inches every time I draw, and you can see that from the back I was drawing like a curve, and now that I'm getting to the middle, I'm kind of just drawing like something like a straight line, okay, from one end to the other. And something else you will notice is that I'm trying to attach this particular line to the last line. You don't just want to draw without it being attached to the last line. Like on the side close to your ears, you want it meeting the last line. I'm still going to show you what I mean so that you understand. Okay, so you can see that I'm drawing very close to the last line, and then I gradually free up my hand so that I have that 2-inch space. Okay, so now that I'm getting to the front, I'm just going to keep drawing a straight line, and it's going to be closer than it was before. I'm not leaving that 2-inch line anymore. I'm leaving about ½ inches for each line. So you want the front to be very close to each other, and you still want it to meet the last one. It is so important. You don't just sew your hair without it meeting the last one. So you can see that in this pattern I'm trying to ensure that they are all like meeting each other. You can see the sides, they are meeting each other on the sides, and the back is like a curve and the front is straight. The back is spacious while the front is close to each other. So you can practice your own drawing and let me know what you've done, and let me know how it looks like. Thank you for watching. Now we can move to our main tutorial on how to sew this headband wig.